Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the recording method. This affects quality and legality. Check iOS and free storage because low space causes failures. If you choose voice memos plus speaker, position the phone close and set volume to a clear level. If using an app or external device, open it now and grant microphone access. Once done, state consent on the call if required, because that avoids legal problems and ensures reliable evidence. Now you perform the recording steps. For voice memos, put the call on speaker and tap record immediately. This records what the iPhone plays aloud. For apps, open the app, enable microphone and call audio permissions, then place the call from the app or use in-call recording features. Test with a quick trial to confirm mixed audio. With an external recorder, plug the cable or pair Bluetooth, monitor audio levels, and use a short test clip. This avoids surprises. Finish by stopping the recording immediately when the call ends. Save and name the file with date and participants so you can find it later. Then back it up to iCloud or transfer to a computer for redundancy, because recordings can be deleted or corrupted. If you get no audio or low volume, first check microphone and call audio permissions, then verify speakerphone routing and free storage. If needed, retry with an external recorder to isolate phone hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.